Kinde has released the advanced orgs feature, which allows you to set multi-factor authentication for each of your organizations. So if you have an org that wants to use MFA, you can do that. And if a different org doesn't want to use MFA, you can do that as well. So what I'm going to do in this video is I'm going to enable MFA for one of my organizations, and I'm going to exempt enterprise connections to MFA. So normal users, they will have to go through MFA, but if you sign in with an enterprise connection, usually that's pretty secure and they make you do MFA anyway. So we get to exempt those enterprise connections from the Kinde MFA. So let me show you how that works. I have my organization, the Lamina library. What I'm going to do here is go to multi-factor auth, and I can enforce MFA for this organization. Right now, I'm allowing the Authenticator app and email. And I have exempted some enterprise connections, Microsoft Entra ID. Under authentication, you can see I have two types of authentication available. I have the social connection Google, and I have Entra ID enabled. So you can see that when I log in to Lamina library. So to my app, my B2B app, I'm going to click Lamina library, log in, and you can see I have these two options here. I have the enterprise connection with Entra ID, and I have Google. I'm going to click Google, and we should expect to see MFA enabled. So I'm just going to show you here. MFA is enforced for this organization, and it's only exempt for enterprise connections. So let's click Google. It's going to log me into Google. I'm already signed in. So it's gone through that first step of signing in with Google, and now it's asking me to enter the code. This is the MFA bit. I've just grabbed the code. I'll put it in there. Great, and that sent me into the dashboard. So MFA is working when I'm signing in with Google. I also set it up so that if I signed in with Entra ID, I'm exempt from having to do MFA. So back to the Lamina library login, I'm going to click Entra ID. Amazing, and that's taken me straight into the app. So I didn't have to do MFA in that flow. So hopefully that was useful for you guys. Please get stuck in with advanced orgs on Kinde. It's pretty cool.